Hi guys, in front of me is Motorola Razr 70 and let me show you how to activate camera timer on this device. So first of all, open your camera app. Now make sure that you're in photo mode and here just mark on more options. In the right upper corner, select timer and apply 3 or 10 seconds delay, whatever you need, whatever you prefer. Click on camera shutter now and wait till the photo is grabbed. And that's it, it has been done. Whenever you want to switch the timer off and roll settings, pick timer and mark off. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.